dish that I think is pretty hard to find in America. By recommendation from my friend, so I'm excited. Okay, they only sell one thing here. Which is this. It's kind of expensive, definitely the most expensive meal we've had here. This is like probably the price of like 4 or 5 meals. Normal meals that you can find on the street, but we have to try it. It's a hanoi specialty. So many bowls. Wow. So embarrassing. Very good. I feel like my noodles stuff ratio is off. It's good. Really? How do you know it's okay. I thought I lost my AirPods, but I actually did find them. So I had a little anxiety attack for a moment, but now it's all good. And I'm going to meet Angela at a coffee shop. We're buying souvenirs. So not actually drinking anything, but this place is supposed to be super famous, so I'm about to go buy something. Yippee, yippee. Wow, we passed by this little ceramics store. Okay.
Now I got my feelings at the door. Man, I feel so stupid. Romance ain't flu. Wait, could you teach me a thing or two?
This is a different side of Hanoi to what I'm used to. It's called the Classy Plaza. So whenever something's kind of luxurious, they call it classy. We're at the ice cream store. Maybe. Is that what everyone's getting? Oh. This is apparently rice flake flavor. It's called com. C-O-M. What? Angela successfully haggled for a bag. Well, she didn't really haggle. The lady just started yelling out different prices when we started walking away. But she initially gave us 300,000, and we got it down to 180.
And
not bad.
Yesterday I tried to haggle with this other guy, and I tried to get it for 170. And he was like, "No way."
No way.
But you know what? I got it for 180, which is like pretty much.
Yeah, I feel like haggling at the market is harder for some reason. Too much foot traffic, maybe. Going down the beer street. It's a lot less crowded than on the weekends. I got a recording of everyone offering. Not very good at this. I don't know what this means, but it can't be a good thing. so much better at night. So much easier to walk around.
Oh, they didn't close this.
It did not look like this in the morning. Okay, what do you know? We are back here because we have poor decision making, so had to make another trip back to get more souvenirs. Okay. Okay, girl. Our last meal here is gonna be dry chicken pho, a Hanoi specialty.
Xin mời. Chúc bạn đi vào đây.
You want to sit? Oh, English menu. Love it. What's this one? This one? This is the dry chicken pho. It comes with a little bowl of soup on the side that you're not supposed to pour in. Okay. I think this is my first chicken pho, actually.
Not mine. I'm assuming.
Really? I would never order chicken pho in America.
Why? She said chicken broth.
I just prefer beef. Oh, true. Beef one is really good. But this one's really, really good. I really like it. I have no idea what to expect.
She said it's dry.
Okay. Whoa.
How much?
Yeah.
I really like coconut.
I actually like the texture.
It's a show. Free show.
Avocado ice cream. Guys, the yogurt with coffee is so good.
It's really good.
Anything that has the coffee is good. But I'm ready to go home. Back to Taipei.
I'm sure you can buy yogurt and put coffee in Taipei.
But their yogurt is like different. I don't know. I don't buy yogurt like this.
I don't buy yogurt like this either.
Today's our last day. And then we go back to Taiwan. And then we work at night. So that's why we're eating
It's
now.
because their yogurt has condensed milk in it.
Oh. Okay, so it's like dessert. Okay, well, it's not very good for you, but it is good. That's it.
I find myself
Front row show.
with you. I used to do my damn thing, waking up in and out of strangers' bed. But now I know I'm the one who'll always be with you. In and out without a menu. In and out we gotta do. Oh baby, as long as I can serve you with my love, as long as I can turn into real beast mode, make fresh love all night, just like the first time. As long as I can serve you with extra love.
Oh, you can eat it. Oh my gosh, she's trying to cross the road. You can do it. Made it to the airport. Gonna check in. Oh, slept on the car. 45 minutes. So tired. We're in the Thăng lounge that you can get in with a priority pass. It's pretty empty. This is probably the emptiest lounge I've ever been in. So much stuff. Kanji, they have like chicken, fish. know. Oh my god. I shouldn't have eaten so much.
I didn't think the lounge was good.
Me neither. Assortment of ramen. Oh my god. What do we start with? I don't know what to get. I'm so overwhelmed.
Literally 100 times better than the cruise.
I know. The cruise. This is what I thought the cruise would be like. This lounge has so much food. It's kind of amazing.
It's way better than America.
It's way better than our cruise. Okay, let me show you. I got congee. I put a sweet potato in there and a little bit of fish fell in. Some dumplings, spring roll, fish, chicken.
Isn't this kind of crazy? It's pretty good.
The congee's pretty good. The fish is good. The chicken's pretty good too. We're not even like hungry.
I know.
This pandan jelly, really good. I didn't know we would be doing this at the airport. The international lounges are so much better than the ones in America. And this one's open until 2 a.m. That's crazy. I wish I could have been here when I was stuck waiting for my visa.